Welcome to our channel. Today we how to request replacement Molina Healthcare ID card, member guide step by step clearly. To request a replacement Molina Healthcare ID card, first, visit the Molina Healthcare website. Navigate to the Member Services section. Here, look for the option labeled Request Replacement ID Card. Click on that link to proceed. You may be prompted to log in to your member account. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you are a new user, you may need to create an account first. Follow the instructions to set up your account if needed. Once logged in, locate the link for ID card replacement. Fill out any required fields with your personal information. This may include your member ID number, name, and date of birth. After completing the form, double-check the information for accuracy. Submit your request by clicking the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your request has been received. If you prefer, you can also request a replacement card by calling Member Services. Have your member ID number and personal details ready for verification. Once your request is processed, your new ID card will be mailed to your address. Allow 7 to 10 business days for delivery. If you do not receive your card within this time frame, contact Member Services for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.